Welcome to today's financial update for July 23, 2025. We've selected key highlights from the world of business to keep you informed and ahead of the game. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines. First up, a major shift in the media landscape. According to AP News, Dr. Patrick Soon-Shiong, the billionaire owner of the Los Angeles Times since 2018, plans to take the newspaper public within the next year. This announcement comes as print media continues to grapple with competition from digital platforms, and investors will be keen to see how this transformation unfolds. In stock market news, the Wall Street Journal reports that both the Dow and the S&P 500 are edging higher today, buoyed by a generally optimistic investor sentiment. Notably, economist David Besant indicates there are no signs that Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell should step down, despite ongoing pressures and criticisms surrounding the central bank's policies. Switching gears, we focus on small-cap stocks. MarketWatch highlights that a small-cap index is nearing its first golden cross in the last 18 months. Historically, this pattern has often led to further gains in the following months, making it a point of interest for investors who may be looking to diversify their portfolios beyond big tech. In other significant news, OpenAI has officially entered into a monumental agreement with Oracle, committing to pay $30 billion annually for data center services, as disclosed by TechCrunch. This move underscores the increasing value of AI and data infrastructure, setting a benchmark for future technological collaborations. Let's turn our attention to the energy sector. PJM Interconnection announced that their latest auction secured over 134,000 megawatts of unforced capacity generation, responding positively to price signals in the market, according to PJM Inside Lines. This procurement signals robust demand for energy resources amid fluctuating energy prices. In food industry news, Hershey is set to implement a double-digit price increase across its confectionery portfolio, as reported by Yahoo Finance. This decision stems from surging cocoa costs, highlighting ongoing inflationary pressures affecting consumer goods. Retail sensations are also making headlines today. Shares of Kohl's Corp soared recently amidst a new wave of meme stock trading, leading some analysts to suggest that we might be witnessing a mini bubble. MarketWatch indicates similar excitement in Opendoor, adding to the quirky investment climate. Meanwhile, General Motors has proclaimed that electric vehicles are now its North Star, as they vie to secure the second position in the U.S. EV market, still dominated by Tesla, according to CNBC. This commitment to electrification showcases the shifting dynamics in the automotive sector, where legacy automakers are doubling down on sustainability. On a more cautionary note, Philip Morris International recently experienced a 7% drop in shares due to lower than expected sales of its Zyn pouches, indicating that even major players are vulnerable to market fluctuations, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. In a rather alarming context, Axios reports that Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has warned of an impending fraud crisis linked to AI technologies, particularly targeting consumer accounts. This highlights a growing concern about security in an increasingly digital landscape, which may prompt regulatory scrutiny. As we wrap up today's financial update, it is clear that the market continues to adapt to evolving circumstances, whether through technological collaborations, inflation pressures, or shifts within essential industries such as energy and retail. The coming days will be critical as we monitor these developments and their broader implications. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more updates and insights to navigate the ever-changing world of finance. Until next time, keep informed, stay proactive, and make smart investments.